Imagine this: you log into a website today, come back tomorrow, and the site still remembers you, but the server never stored your session. How's that possible? The secret weapon is something called JWT Authentication, and in this video I'll explain what JWT is, how it works, and its pros and cons so you know when to use it. Before we continue, I want you to know that this channel is all about growing as software engineers together. If you want to join, subscribe now. JWT stands for JSON Web Token. It's basically a compact way of representing claims between two parties. Think of it as a little passport for your app. A JWT looks like this: three parts separated by dots. The header says what the type of token it is and which algorithm was used to sign it. The payload carries the data, like user ID, role, and permissions, and the signature makes sure the token hasn't been tampered with. Now let's discuss how JSON Web Tokens work. Here's the flow. You log in with your username and password. The server checks your credentials and generates a JWT. That token is sent back to you and usually stored in your browser, either in local storage or an HTTP-only cookie. Now, every time you make a request, your browser attaches the token in the authorization header. The server verifies the signature. If it's valid, you're in. If not, access denied. Okay, so why do people love JWTs? First, they are stateless. The server doesn't need to remember who you are. The token carries that info. That also makes them scalable, perfect for microservices or distributed apps. They're flexible. You can embed roles, permissions, or other claims right inside. And the best part, they are widely supported across almost every language and framework. But JSON Web Tokens are not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are the drawbacks. Revocation is hard. Once you issue a token, you cannot easily take it back unless you build an extra infrastructure. If the token leaks, the attacker has access until it expires. And the biggest mistake, storing sensitive data in the payload. Remember, it's just base64 encoded, not encrypted. So how do you use JWTs safely? Keep tokens short-lived and use refresh tokens for re-authentication. Store them securely, preferably in HTTP-only cookies instead of local storage. Never put secrets or sensitive info in the payload. And always use HTTPS to prevent token theft. So JWTs are powerful and convenient, but not always the right tool for the job. If you need scalability and stateless authentication, they are great. But if you need easy session management and revocation, a traditional session might be better. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.